Can I start Google Ads for my small heating company with a $400 to $500 month budget? Hi, I run a small local heating and renovation company. Congratulations. And I'm trying to figure out if it's realistic to start running Google Ads search campaigns with a budget of around $400 to $500 per month. My goal is to get local leads, people searching for heating repair, installation, or replacement in my region. I have never run Google Ads before, but I have been doing some research and it seems like search ads might be the best place to start for service based business. Okay. Here's what I'm wondering. Is a $400 $500 monthly budget even enough to see results, or is it too low for a local service business? Should I focus only on a few specific keywords or services like heat pump installation or boiler replacement to make the most out of the budget? Would it make sense to start by targeting just one or two nearby cities instead of the whole region? Any tips on how to structure the campaign or avoid wasting budget on irrelevant clicks? Okay. So, first of all, yeah, it's very tight budget, but it's not a bad something for someone who's already running a company. My ideally realistic thing, what I do is, I recommend those people is to, install the analytics or web analytics first. Okay, web analytics first. You can use Google Tag Manager, okay, to get started. Okay, the reason why I'm suggesting is because even with a small budget, what you can do is you can do retargeting. Okay, you can show your ads again to those people who have already seen your product or service. So this way you can grab those customers. So your insights are good as you discussed regarding that you wanted to target search ads. So yeah, I think that your sites are good for your service business ads. My opinion for those ads, small business, are first of all to run LSA ads, local search ads, or phone call ads on search ads. Okay, this is my opinion is, if you want to run such ads, run with phone calls ads. You wanted to get phones, and yeah, you can also run on Google Maps. Okay, the phone calls, the can help you because someone searching heater near me, something like the heat pump installation near me or a boiler replacement near me, your ad is shown, and so yeah, the Google Map ads can also work well. You can also set those through the Google search ads by linking your Google business profile, and for that, for Google Maps you need to have Google business profile. Okay, so we also have clients with Google business profile as well, just to let you know. But yeah, this way what happens is that when someone is searching on the Google Maps regarding boiler replacement near me, heater replacement near me, as I told, your ad can be shown. So yeah, this can help you. Also optimize Google business profile to reach organic visitors as well. So this can help you as well because your budget is small. So my suggestion is to go with these things as well, and they can definitely save your money a lot. And regarding the optimization, because you asked for the keywords, my suggestion is to go with the 5 to 10 keywords at a maximum of 10 keywords because we do not have much money to put into test round. So we are suggesting you to go with 10 keywords, phrase or exact match, and have a strong eye on your search terms so you can keep on adding negative keyword terms in your ads. Run for specific hours, show slow regions, very few specific areas where closely you are serving around or from where you have the most of the customers. Only target those, and then this way you can structure for 5 to 10 keywords. As I suggested, I recommend creating a separate ad for 1 to 2 keywords. So you can create theme based ad groups, 1 to 2 to 3 keywords, and a 1 to 2 ad combination for them. Similar way, if you're creating 10 keywords, you can add 3 to 4 ad groups with 4 to 8 ads in them. So 1 to 2 ads per ad group. This way you can save the maximum amount of money. And yeah, I've never run Google ads before, but so I think these advices will definitely help you in running your Google ads. Install web analytics, do retargeting, LS ads, and I also recommend people for invalid clicks. And there are many softwares available, but we do set up our clients. So in case if you try to get our one-time installation service, we will even help you in installing fraud click prevention on your website, which is very necessary to help you prevent you with invalid clicks happening on your website. So you keep on adding those IPs which are doing this practice on your website. So yeah, I hope this answers your question. And if you or anyone needs a professional Google Ads audit, setup or management services, we are a company based in UAE, full-fledged company. So it's in case if you want to hire us as a Google partner, you can hire us through the link in the description. Yeah, thanks for watching. Take care, and we look forward to working with you. And we also do offer other services, including web designing, web hosting as well. So in case if you need either of the services, you can hire us through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.